Hi, this is Jack Bourne, founder of Deadline Funnel, and I'm going to show you how to integrate with the wonderful SamCart checkout system. So let's go ahead and jump in. So in the Deadline Funnel admin, you're going to add a new countdown if you don't already have one. So we could go with either fixed calendar date deadline or evergreen. Let's go ahead. Actually, we could do the quick deadline as well. That'd be great for an upsell. But let's go ahead and do the fixed calendar deadline. Let's just keep it really super simple. So I'm just going to choose a date that's 2 days ahead, and I'll make it US Pacific Standard Time. And for the before URL, I'm going to use the actual SamCart URL, and then after, what you could do is it's really up to you. Two ideas. One is that you could send them to a sorry you missed it page. This is no longer being offered. So in the case of a cart completely closing, like a launch, that would be the way to go. Or a variation of that would be to have sorry you missed it, sign up if you want to be notified of other great upcoming product launches or special promotions is a better way to say it. The second way that you could do it is you could redirect them to a URL where you've got a cart with a full price offer. All right, so two different ways. Neither one is right or wrong. What I'll do is I'll pause the video, come back, and I'll have these filled in. Okay, so I've got my SamCart URL, and then for the after URL, I'm just going to use Google for this example. All right, and this would be for if you're using the email integration, if you're sending this out to an existing list, or you're taking opt-ins, and it's really primarily for Evergreen. But let me just go ahead and I'll just continue with Aweber, and I'll choose one of the deadline text formats, stick with English, and choose next. Name, we'll call this SamCart Demo, and I'm going to put this into the demos section just to categorize it. All right, so now we're done. So let's go grab our code. I'm going to click on Use It, and this is the part where we grab this code. I'm going to copy it. All right, so this is the moment of truth. Where do we put it in SamCart? So what you do is you click on a product and you go into the product customization tab. Under the product customization tab, what you can do is for sidebar text, see this source button? You can click on source and you can copy and paste that right there. Let's go ahead and click update. Now the other place where you can add it is, I believe it's under advanced. Yep, so under embed HTML scripts and footer. This would be for setting up the floating bar. I'm going to go ahead and remove that for now. But what you could do is inside of Deadline Funnel, we've got demonstrations on how to set up a floating bar, how to use different gradients or to make it a certain flat color, and just to make it very, very simple and easy for you to set that up. But we're gonna turn this off for now, and let's just go ahead and see what this page looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and click on preview. And there you go. So just a test page that shows you how the countdown will look. Now, of course, you can go over into the countdown section and change the appearance. You can very quickly and easily choose from a pre-existing template, or you can customize it even further. So let's just go ahead and go with that. I'll click save, and once it says that it's saved, we can go back over here and I'll hit refresh, and there you go. And another great idea would be to consider, especially for your evergreen funnels, would be to set up a delay. So a great way to start off your launch or your promotion is to hide the countdown until there's a certain number of hours left. Maybe for the last day, call it 36 hours. Maybe for the last 36 hours, you want to have that available. So once you save that, if you go back and you hit refresh, then the countdown is not going to show until there's a certain number of days left. Even if it's 1 a.m. when the thing turns on live, Deadline Funnel's got your back. It's gonna make that appear automatically. So there you go. That's a very quick and easy way for you to add the countdown timer to your SamCart checkout pages. It's a great way to increase conversions, especially towards the end of a promotion.